New details now on the fallout from Obamacare. If you think because you have health care through your employer you won't be affected by the new law, think about it again. 42% of corporate execs surveyed say the cost of health care at their company is going up, and even more say they are passing the cost right along to the employees. Stu Varney joins us, host of Varney and Company on the Fox Business Network. Stu, good to see you.
Hi, Greg.
So the overall impact, and we know this from the data that's been produced, seems to be the premiums are going up, deductibles are going up. Is it no surprise employers are seeing the same thing and they're passing it on to employees?
No surprise whatsoever. And by the way, the source here is a very strong, firm source. These are the chief financial officers of major corporations. These are the people who run the money for the big companies. And the survey shows nearly half of them blame Obamacare for the extra charges they've already passed along to their employees, and nearly 2/3 of them say they blame Obamacare for the extra charges which are still to come. And by the way, Greg, these extra charges mostly take the form of much higher deductibles. That's out-of-pocket expenses that have to be paid right up front before insurance kicks in. Basically, Greg, this is middle America getting squeezed. Tens of millions of people. Remember, 80% of those people who do have health insurance, they get it from their employer. These are the people who are being squeezed, and the CFOs say it's Obamacare that's squeezing them.
Well, when the employer mandate exemption for 1 year expires at the end of this year, it could begin to affect jobs. So what's the Chamber of Commerce intending to do?
Well, in his annual report, the chief guy at the Chamber of Commerce, Tom Donohue, he said, and I'm going to quote for you, Greg, he says, 2014, we will work to repeal onerous health care taxes, repeal, delay, or change the employer mandate. And he says, we will head to court to sue if necessary. In other words, Obamacare faces the implacable opposition of the Chamber of Commerce, which is the largest business group in the United States and very powerful.
Yeah. Well, they may not have standing to sue until the exemption on the employer mandate expires at the end of this year. We'll have to wait and see. Stu Varney, good to see you as always.
Thanks, Greg.